Hello and welcome back, everyone. Thank you very much for tuning back in again. This is the second half of our presentation on Christianity throughout the Roman Empire. Let's continue on with our content portion of the presentation. The spread of Christianity. The apostles, or disciples of Jesus who became teachers themselves, molded Jesus' teachings into a new religion called, formally, Christianity. Christianity was based upon the idea that Jesus was God's Son and that he died as a way to atone for humanity's sins. Additionally, the apostles taught that Jews and non-Jews were welcome as Christians. The apostle Paul was especially influential in the development of Jesus' teachings into a religion called Christianity. After Jesus' death, Paul helped spread Jesus' teachings throughout the Roman Empire. As you can see here, you can see Christian areas, additional Christian areas, and of course the outlying boundary of the Roman Empire. Christianity spread quickly due to the roads, numerous trade routes, common language throughout the Roman Empire as well. The peaceful time of the Pax Romana made travel safe for those spreading Jesus' teachings too. Although the spread of Judaism and Christianity was seen as a problem by the Roman emperors, for reasons which we're going to get into now. Jews and Christians refused to worship the Roman gods or recognize the emperors as more important than God himself. This, of course, led to much strife within the empire. Christians and Jews were even persecuted by the Romans. Many were crucified, exiled, or killed during gladiator events, such as being fed to lions, as depicted here. Now, Christians who were executed were honored by other Christians as martyrs, those who sacrificed their lives for their beliefs. Additionally, this only helped spread Christianity too, and had the adverse effect that I'm sure that the emperors wanted for the time. The organization of the Christian church is complex, but dates back to this time as well. The early Christians organized a hierarchy of leadership. Priests were supervised by regional bishops. The overall head of the church was the Pope too, who had a lot of power for that time. Popes later operated from the city of Rome and still do to this day. For those of you guys who are familiar with the Vatican City, of course, that's what we're talking about. Now, additionally, teachings that Christians believed in, like Jesus' teachings, as well as some of Judaism, were collected into the official text called the Holy Bible. Despite Roman efforts to suppress it, Christianity spread throughout the Roman Empire and gained immense amounts of popularity. In the year 312 CE, Emperor Constantine made Christianity legal after recognizing that Christian religion was becoming the dominant one in his empire. Additionally, Constantine issued the Edict of Milan, a ruling that gave freedoms and equality to Christians within the Roman Empire. In the year 395 CE, Emperor Theodosius made Christianity the official religion of the Roman Empire. So one has to wonder though, did Christianity help lead to the fall of Rome? Well, many historians think that Christianity helped to Rome's fall for the following few reasons. You see, Romans spent more time thinking of the afterlife than the here and now. Additionally, as a result, the Christianized Romans were unprepared for the invaders who eventually conquered the Roman Empire later on, like the Visigoths. So as you can see, there is much to be said and learned here about Christianity and the role that it plays in the world. One key takeaway from today, though, might be to understand the role that faith can play in shaping societies both for better or for worse. The episode from Crash Course World History, The Fall of Rome, will tie together the essence of Christianity and its effects on the Roman Empire in a way that will help make more sense to you to understand the culminating factors that led to the fall of one of the mightiest empires the world has ever known. Thank you very much for tuning in, and good luck with completing the rest of the lesson.